how to view, delete and control my activity in Google Chrome. First, I'll show you the Android option. On Android device, you can open up Google Chrome. On the top right hand corner, we have three dots. Let's press on that. And here, let's press on delete browsing data. Here I can press on more options and select my activity, as in my history settings, and press on delete data. At this moment, let's press on the three dots again, because I just want to show you another setting. Let's press on settings. Here, since most Android devices using Google Chrome is synced to their Google account, if you have sync on, then I'll show you a different setting here. First, you can sign out and turn off sync. If you want to delete every history from your Google Chrome, then on your desktop device or your Google account on a desktop, what you want to do is we can press on settings. So basically, privacy and security that we've looked at, we have similar settings here. We can delete browsing data once we're synced out, because that's only smart. Then let's go and see something else. Let's press on our profile icon. Let's press on manage your Google account. On the left hand side, we have data and privacy. Let's press on that. Then let's press on my activity. This will take you to myactivity.google.com/myactivity. Let's press on web and app activity. As we can see, we have Google Chrome here as well. So that means we can actually delete everything here. We can press on manage all activity, then press on delete, select delete all time, select Google Chrome, press next, and press delete to confirm our deletion process. This is the correct way to view, delete, and if you want to better control Google account activity for Google Chrome, then you can actually uncheck Google Chrome history and activity here. Okay, then Google account won't keep your Google Chrome activity. Also, you can set auto deletion, perhaps 3 months or 18 months, and so on. This is the way to clear Google Chrome my activity.